Welcome back to another episode of Finding Flanigan. Where am I today? I'm at NDSCS in Fargo. So Anthony, thanks for bringing me over to this area. Why don't you share with me a little bit about what's happening in our nursing and allied health areas?
Absolutely. So the lab that we're standing in right now is going to be one of the places that our nurses who are in training are getting that hands-on experience. And that's really important to us at NDSCS. The different pathways that they might be pursuing are either an RN, a registered nurse, or a PN, a practical nurse.
You're able to start and finish here. So now, let's move on to the next area. I'm here with Ron and Kyle from Sanford Medical, who helps coordinate and orchestrate our EMS program here at NDSCS in Fargo. So Ron, can you tell us a little bit about the history of EMS at NDSCS in Fargo?
Sure. Well, Sanford Health, which was FM Ambulance actually before that, has been teaching paramedics since 1982. We did join with a different college for a little while, but we came to NDSCS around 2014-ish, somewhere in there.
Okay.
So about 10 years we've been here, and then we've been in this building for the last 6 years-ish or so. So we've been training about 20-ish paramedics every year and around 200 EMTs every year.
Very good. Nice. So long history, long tradition of EMS training.
Mm-hmm.
So Kyle, can you tell us about some of the students that you see come through this program?
Yes, sir. We get students from all walks of life. We have some fresh out of high school. We have some that are married with kids. It's for everybody. Every one of them is driven, passionate, really wants to serve folks, wants to get out there and make a difference in the community, and they don't mind a little bit of chaos. The difference between an EMT and a paramedic is an EMT would have basic life-saving capabilities, limited scope of practice. A paramedic is qualified to interpret EKGs, 12 leads, do rhythms, run the monitor, do meds, all the way up to including paralysis and intubation. So the paramedic scope of practice is quite large and very unique in healthcare. Nobody else gets 2 years of training and gets to do what we do.
Very good. Thank you. Thanks for joining us for another episode of Finding Flanigan. I want to thank my special guest, Dr. Anthony Rohr, for joining me today and for showing me around NDSCS in Fargo. I want to thank our fantastic student success team, our enrollment management team, and our facilities management team for all they do for our NDSCS Fargo location, and to all of our guests for their hospitality today. Such a great group here in Fargo. Go Wildcats! Stop it.
That was perfect.
Cut.